Ready?
Yeah.
The second part of the Arabic letters, which is the letters when they are combined together. So let's start. I just want you to follow the line here. So do you remember what is this letter?
That one is
And this one?
that one is La.
Okay, how about this one? Can you guess what is it?
Um,
Guess, just guess. No right or wrong.
I'll say Ala.
Very good. Or in this case, it's gonna be la'a. The la is the red one, right?
Yeah.
And the a is the black one. So this is la'a.
La.
Now there is
Okay.
a problem with the Arabic reading or the Arabic letters in general. The problem is that they can have so many shapes. For example, this is la'a and this is la'a. And this one right here is also la'a. And this one is also la'a. And guess what? This one is what?
La.
All right. See? So it's all la'a. And this is shape. These are many shapes or multiple shapes for the single letter. And that could happen in most of the Arabic language. But don't worry, it's not going to be a problem to you. You'll get used to that. Okay?
Okay.
Now, can you guess what are those two letters in here?
Um. I'll say Ba'a.
Ba'a, correct, right? How about this one? Remember this one? It's la, right? Can
Yeah.
you guess what is this letter in here? The three, not just one, three letters.
Three letters. Bab.
Ba, that's the first one, correct. And the
And
second one?
the second one is La.
All
No.
right. Yes,
Yeah.
it's
La.
correct.
Yeah.
And the
Yeah.
third one?
Third one is
Ba. Also, because this one has one dot and this one has one dot also. So it's ba, la, ba. Okay?
So yeah.
All right. Now, let's start. How about this one? You remember it? It's
Yeah. That one is Ka.
yeah. All right. How about this one? It's a weird shape, all right, but it's a ka. We call it the cobra ka. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. So this is ka, and this is also ka.
Okay.
How about this one?
Mm, Kaba
All right. Correct. How about this one?
is the same. Kaba.
All right. Good. And this one?
That one. Kalla.
Ka a. It's ka a. Ka
Ka.
combined with a. And
Okay.
this one?
Ka. The same. Ka.
Yeah. Now, do you see this is ka? This is ka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shapes for ka. You have just recognized them. So that's why I'm telling you it's
So
not
when
gonna be.
so when you write the Ka, you don't have to have the little S.
This one you mean? No, not at all. This
Okay.
one happens only at the end of the words. This one is at the beginning of the word or at the middle of the word. This one only comes at the end of the word. It's the last letter.
So if Ka is the last letter.
Exactly, like that. All
Okay.
right, I'm gonna show you an example. This is ka. See, at the beginning of the word. Okay.
Yeah.
When you put another ka, it looks like that at the end of the word. Let's just say that we're gonna put a lot of ka. See, the ka that has this shape is at the end of the word.
End of the word. Yeah.
And the
Is it
middle?
at the end or the beginning?
No, it's at the end always, but it's at the beginning. It was like that because there was no other letters. You got it? But once we added another
Yeah.
one, it becomes like this. So,
Okay.
got it?
Yeah.
All right. Now we're here. Yeah, here. 3 letters in here. Can you recognize them?
3 letters. Okay, so one of them is cat. Okay, one of them is cat, and then ta,
Ba, ka, ta.
ba, ka, ta. Yeah.
Very good. And this one?
Mm, ba, ka,
No,
ba.
it's ta. Ta, ka, ta. Remember, because ta has 2 dots. All right, so
Oh,
ba, 1 dot down, ta, 2 dots up, then tha, 3 dots up. You got it? And
that
then,
one is
so if we're gonna match, it's gonna be like that. All right, let's match it from here.
so
We're
that
gonna,
one is cat. No, that one is tha, ka, ta.
exactly, but you start from the right side. So ta is this one,
Oh yeah.
ta,
Ta, ka,
then
tha.
ka is here, and then
Yeah,
tha is right down here.
yeah.
Okay? Now, in this part, I want you to say the letter. I will say the letter, and you're just gonna tell me how many dots are in the letters and where are they, up or down.
Wait, say that again. Sorry.
In this part, I'm going to say
Yeah,
the letter, and I just want you
yeah.
to say how many dots are there and where are there. Okay? Up,
Okay,
down,
okay,
like that. Okay?
okay.
So this is ba.
Yeah.
How many? Where are they?
One at the bottom,
Okay. This is ta.
2 at the top,
Okay? And this is tha.
3 at the top,
Very good. And this is na.
1 at the top.
Very good. So remember this. Also, do you see this one? Do you remember it?
That one is yeah.
All right. Yeah is the last letter of the alphabet. And this is also, I just want you to remember that this is also yeah. You see right here, the black one with 2 dots down.
Yeah.
All right. So
Yeah.
this is yeah, this is yeah.
Yeah.
And this one right here, can you tell me what is it?
Individually or
Oh yeah, like don't read, just say each letter individually.
so it's tha and a.
Very good. Tha'a. Right? In
Yes.
this part,
Yeah.
we are not reading words, we are just saying what are they.
Okay.
All right? How about this one?
That one is
It's ba.
ba
And
and then sa.
very good. How about this one?
That one is
It's 2 dots down. Remember what does have 2 dots down?
Tirastan is yeah.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, sa.
Yeah, sa. Very good. And this one?
Sorry, 1 second.
Take your time.
Sorry, points. Okay, that one.
Na, sa. Remember? Na with 2 dots, with 1 dot up, like this one, you see? Also like this one.
Oh, okay. Cause see, that one I got confused for.
Yeah, because you have 2 options in here. Option number 1 is that this is the sa, right? Or
Yeah,
na, sa, right?
yeah. Cause what about on the, on the the letters you're showing me there on the
All right,
second row?
exactly. The thing
Is
is,
the same.
the is the letter that does not connect. And for example, this is the sa, do you see? And this is nasa, right? The difference is that the is a letter that does not connect with the next letter.
Yeah.
So if there is the sa, like in the first example in here, it will be alone.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That's why. But
Oh,
in
so that one
the
is yeah.
nasa, that's why it's connecting to each other.
Oh, so if it doesn't connect is the, and if it does connect is na.
Exactly. The letter that does not connect are as follow. Okay, it's the,
Yeah.
ra, za.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
The, ra, za. These are the letters that does not connect. Also,
Okay.
wa. Yeah. Also, wa. If any letter came or comes, I'll tell you. Next one. So yeah, we're here. Now, what is this one?
That one. Ta, sa,
Very good. And this one?
tha, sa.
And this one?
That one is tha, ja.
Very good. And this one?
Ta, ja.
No, ta, ha.
No,
Ja is
sorry.
a dot
Ta,
in here.
ha. Yeah.
Ha doesn't have a dot. All right.
Yeah. Ta, ha.
And this one?
That one is na, kha, na, kha.
Naha. Very good. Okay.
Yeah.
And this one?
Which one?
This one.
That one. That one is
Yeah.
yeah,
Exactly. Yes. Very good. Yeah.
yeah, ha.
Very good, man. Yeah. Ha. And this
Yeah.
one?
That one is ba, ja.
Excellent. And this one?
That one is I'll say yeah, yeah, ah.
Yeah, mad. I know it's a little bit strange because we usually write ma like this. Okay, but sometimes it come like this. And
Oh, so the
also
second, the one in the red is ma.
exactly. So this is also ba ma. This is na ma, and this is ta ma.
Okay, yeah.
All right.
And then the other one is so the other one would be sha, ma.
No, sha have two notches like this. That's what makes sha a sha. Three dots and two notches.
Oh, that one is tha, ma.
Excellent. Thama.
Yeah.
This
That
is
one.
these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a little bit challenging because as you can see,
Yeah.
there is a letter very tiny.
Okay, let me try guess.
By the way, we recognize the letters by the dots, not
Yeah,
by
yeah.
anything else.
Yeah, so I'll say that one is ba, ha.
Ba, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, the yeah is confusing. Okay, that one, ta, yeah.
Very good. Next one. No. This is yeah, yeah. Sorry. So the next one. So yeah, yeah. And this one?
That one is na, yeah.
And this one?
Ta, yeah.
And this one?
Tha, yeah.
Wonderful, man. How about this one?
Okay, let me try this one.
Mhm.
Oh, na, ba, la.
Correct.
Okay, that one. Ta, na, la.
All right. And this one?
That one is ba, ya, la.
How about this one?
Ba, ta, la.
No, yeah. The first one is yeah.
Oh yeah. I forgot the two dots. Yeah. So ya, ta, la.
How about this one?
That one is tha, sha, la.
No. Tha, la. It's the second double letter.
Wait, say that again. Sorry.
Tha, la.
Tha, la. But it's got three dots. Three dots. No.
Yeah. First letter is black, 3 dots, tha. Second letter is blue, 3 dots, tha. And then la. How about this one?
That one. That one.
Na, ba, na.
Na, ba, la. Na, ba, la. But why is there a
No.
dot on the top?
No, na, ba, na.
Oh, nah, ban. Oh, so the same letter twice. But okay, so yeah, that one I understand. But the second to last one, I didn't understand it.
This one?
That one, yeah,
It's 2 letters. Remember the letter tha?
yeah.
Right? So tha, 3 dots, another tha, 3 dots, and then la.
Oh, so it's the same letter twice.
Yeah, same letter twice, 2 times.
Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now we'll meet again in a minute.
yeah.
See you in a minute for the second part of the letters.
Sorry, say that again.
I'll meet you in a minute for the second part of the letters.
Okay.